UK-based ferries company P&O Ferries in Dover has been accused of hiring cheap labourers from India for as low as £1.81 an hour, which is £7 less than the minimum adult wage in the UK. The large-scale cheap labour recruitment is followed by the firing of P&O's 800 members of shipping staff, including officers, last week. Though the company claimed it to be wrong, it refused to comment on how much they're paying the workers on the ferries. According to the Labour MP Carl Turner, they work 8 weeks on and 2 weeks off, with 12-hour shift and short breaks in between to eat. He claimed that they can't afford to get decent accommodation and very often are staying in hostels for £9 a night or pitching tents for a fortnight.